Hi, this is Steve, your Florida Realtor. I'm here in the village of Bradenton, here to show you an exceptional 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's go check it out. This 2012 home has great curb appeal with its 2-car plus golf cart garage and wide paver brick driveway leading you to a beautiful leaded glass front doorway. Upon entry, you can feel the inviting open space. With 1,860 square feet, there's plenty of room for dining, entertaining, or just relaxing. The heart of any home is its kitchen, and this one is spectacular. The single-level counter makes food prep a breeze, and there's no need for high stools. The custom maple cabinets blend perfectly with the granite countertops and stone backsplash. The newer stainless steel appliances are also balanced by a farmhouse sink and high-end faucets. The guest rooms are nestled opposite the kitchen and can be closed off with the built-in pocket door. The front bedroom features a beautiful built-in closet with a queen-size Murphy bed, an integrated corner desk with granite top, plus lots of cabinets for additional storage. The guest bathroom is simplified and neutral, but notice how the cabinet, countertop, and hardware are perfectly matched to the rest of the home. The second guest room has matching wood laminate flooring, an in-wall closet, and volume ceiling. The master bedroom is on the opposite corner of the home and features a tray ceiling and lots of natural light. The dual walk-in closets maximize space with the integrated pocket doors. The ensuite bath features a split sink layout with helpful front and back mirrors. The large Roman shower features floor-to-ceiling tile and upgraded shower heads and controls. The high toilet is nicely separated with a pocket door. The full-size laundry room leads to the large 2-car plus golf cart garage. It features a sealed concrete floor, integrated storage, and a walk-up attic with flooring and lighting. Saving the best for last is the Lanai. With its wide double glass opening and full width style, the indoors and outdoors just melt together. The outer glass sliders can let the warm breeze in or keep it cool with the integrated HVAC vents and ceiling fans. When it's time to fire up the grill, it'll be just outside the Lanai door on a paver brick deck that's just the right size, and it's softened by lush, low-maintenance landscaping. So tell me, what'd you think? This is a beautiful home in a fantastic neighborhood too, and it's priced to sell. With the current low inventory, you're going to want to jump on this one fast. If you have any questions about this home, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. As always, hit the subscribe button so you'll know when the next video is posted. This is Steve, your Florida Realtor. I hope you have a wonderful day.